In my today's video, I will tell you how you can fix the problem when your apps are not installed in your device Vivo V27. So if in this device you are unable to install the apps in your device, I will tell you how you can do it. Before I start the video, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's watch complete video, follow all the steps and you will learn how you can fix it.